Is the microphone not working on your Windows 11 computer? Don't sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing that problem. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in and get it sorted. Solution 1. Restart Windows Audio Service. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt from the search result, select Run as Administrator from the menu, and click on Yes to give permission. Now in this window, type in NetStop Audio SRV and hit Enter. After that, type in NetStart Audio SRV and press Enter. Now check if that did the trick. Solution 2. If your microphone is still not working, try updating your microphone driver. You can either update it from Windows Update or Device Manager. To update your microphone driver from Windows Update, open Settings. Then click on Windows Update and click on Check for Update. Now, Windows will update any outdated driver, including your microphone driver. However, if there are no updates found here, you have to use the Device Manager. For this, type Device Manager in the search box and click on it. After Device Manager opens up, extend the audio inputs and outputs by clicking the arrow next to it. Next, right-click on your microphone device and select Update Driver. Then click on Search Automatically for Driver. Now Device Manager will update your audio driver. After this, reboot your computer and check if your mic is working. Solution 3. Turn on microphone access for apps. To do this, open up Settings. Then click on Privacy and Security from the left side menu. Now scroll down a little and click on Microphone from here. Then toggle on Microphone access from here. Also, turn on Let App access your microphone if it's turned off. Now check if the issue is solved. Solution 4. If the mic's still not working, try setting the correct microphone as default. To do this, simply right-click on the sound icon in your taskbar and click on Sound Settings. Then, in the input section, click on the microphone you want to use as default. Now, the microphone should start working as intended. So guys, that's how you troubleshoot the microphone not working problem on Windows 11 devices. If the video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.